Click on the plus icon. Now enter your app name. In the next step, select your business type. Choose an app template that you like. Click on Add Page. Enter your page name. Now click on Navigation. Then drag and drop tab Navigation on App Screen. Finally, drag and drop Pages at the bottom of App Screen. Now, your tab navigation is ready.